Welcome to our channel. Today we have an incredible heartwarming story that unfolded through the power of social media and the tireless efforts of a dedicated rescue team. It all started with a simple post seeking help for a desperate dog in need. The very next day, the rescue team sprang into action upon seeing the distressing plea for assistance. What they discovered was truly heart-wrenching. The poor dog had been surviving in a dumpster for 3 agonizing days, and to make matters worse, she had recently given birth, but her puppies were nowhere to be found. Imagine the distress and despair this mother dog has felt. However, amidst all the bleakness, a glimmer of hope emerged in the form of a kind-hearted old lady. This compassionate woman took it upon herself to feed the dog and provide some comfort. She even made her a bed situated close to a trash can. However, when the rescue team attempted to approach the frightened canine, she growled and refused to let anyone near her. Thankfully, the old lady arrived just in time and offered her assistance to the rescue team. With her familiar presence, they were able to get the dog into the car, finally giving her a chance at a better life. The first stop was the veterinarian clinic, where the dog received much needed medical treatment. After undergoing surgery and recovering from anesthesia, she stayed at the hospital overnight under the watchful eyes of the caring staff. The following day, the rescue team transported her to a foster care facility where she would receive the love and care she so desperately deserved. Thanks to the collective efforts of the rescue team, the old lady, and the power of social media, this brave dog's life has taken a dramatic turn for better. Her journey from depth of a dumpster to the warmth of a loving foster home serves as a reminder of the compassion and resilience that can be found in humanity. We hope this story inspires you to reach out and lend a helping hand whenever you can. Remember, a small act of kindness can make an enormous difference in the life of an animal in need. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming tales of rescue and hope. Until next time, stay kind and compassionate, and please help our furry friends. Until next time, take care and keep spreading the joy.